This is a quick how-to on how to put your B6 A4 into service mode, service position, whatever you want to call it. So this is a 2003 1.8 turbo A4. I'm doing the timing belt and water pump on it, but instead of taking the whole front clip off, this is the alternative where you can slide it forward. So first take your front bumper off. You can find a separate do-it-yourself for that, it's not too hard. So once you have that off, you're going to need a breaker bar, most likely, a T30 Torx, and a T45. So what you're going to remove is on the bumper pistons here. You have 3 T45s on each. 1, 2, 3. So you have 6 T45s to remove. You have 2 T30s right here, and 2 on the other side. And then you have, under the headlight, you have 1 right here. You can see it connects the front clip to the fender. So you have 1 on that side, and another T30 on that side. So altogether you have 6 bolts, 6 T30s, and 6 T45s. So once you undo those, you want to unclip the AC line over here. You want to get that out of the clip, and this one should be fine. Oh no, there is a clip here under the intercooler. You want to take that out of the clip. So once I got all the bolts out, I'll be back in the video, but pretty much once you have the bolts out, you're gonna want to just pull it forward, and then when these holes will be empty, and when this hole gets to line up with this hole, you put the bolt back in to hold it. Alright, so once you have all those Torx bits out, Torx bolts, you need to take out your air scoop, so it's just 2 Phillips heads, and you can see once the bolts are all removed, you can see the whole clip that already wants to slide forward. So you don't want to slide it too far where it's going to fall off and damage your lines in here, because the lines can flex enough for you to just pull it forward a couple inches, but you can see it already isn't lined up. It's pretty easy to move after you get those bolts out. So yeah, after you remove, this is the last piece here, after you remove your air intake duct, then you should be able to slide it forward and put a screw into this hole, using this hole on the clip once it slides forward. Alright, so I got the duct removed. Now you just pull one side forward at a time and put 1 T30 back in on the farthest out hole using the back hole, so it holds it in place. So now it's pulled out and it's solid, and you have enough room to deal with the timing belt and water pump now.